I'm recording. What are you doing, Brandon?
That makes it less stress on your wrist.
I'm good, thanks.
Yeah, why are you talking?
How do I zoom in again? Don't! You just made me lose it. Crap, where did it go?
Zoom out. See, this is why I didn't want to give you the camera.
I lost it. There it is.
We're zoomed almost all the way.
Well, I don't know. I'm learning. Can you do any like awesome dives? Because you have to warn me when you're gonna do that.
Not on purpose, anyway.
Ah! I like how there's a distant airplane in the background.
No, that's totally what it sounds like.
Totally. You're what? Just don't kill us, okay? That would be like totally sweet.
A little bit. Oh, and there's people in the way.
I gotta loop back around. I don't know if your insurance covers decapitation.
You'd be dead. What?
Brandon, it was a joke. And I missed it because I was busy staring at it.
What? Seriously?
Yes, I
missed the crash.
It was awesome. There goes
You're
Fred.
fired.
That's the best part, is the crash. You're not supposed to.
I got distracted because I wanted to see it. Alright, I failed as a camera operator, but that was pretty sweet. Alright, let's see the damage.
It's actually nothing. Oh, you know what? In fact, all it is, I just need the little.
Your fix stayed.
What is it?
Where's the wheel?
It's right here.
Oh.
It's a little white.
Can I stop recording?
Oh, yeah.